Welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles. Today's case is one that will leave you shaking your head. Imagine this. You're in court, accused of spitting on an officer, and the judge makes it crystal clear. Being intoxicated is no excuse. Right from the start, we see tension in the room as the defense pushes for a reduced bond. But here's where things get complicated. The defendant, Mr. Gordley, claims he has no resources, no family support, and has been stuck in jail for 5 months. He dances, makes videos, and earns inconsistent income from social media. That raises big questions. Should someone's financial struggles reduce their bond, or does the seriousness of the crime outweigh that? The stakes are high here, and the judge's decision could change everything. Let's watch how this unfolds because the outcome is about to get very interesting.
And how would you feel if somebody spit in your face and their saliva landed not only in your eye, but it went in your mouth? So this officer in this report says you spit on them. Mm-hmm. And being intoxicated is no excuse. So we're here on defense motion badly. Requesting a PR bond or either to reduce bond.
Mr. Gordley, have you tried to make bond on the $7,500?
Yes, sir, I have.
And why have you not been successful?
I don't have like the resources or the people out there to help me. So I've been in here by myself trying to do it.
Well, what about your mother and father?
They're both deceased.
Well, what do you do for a living?
I dance and basically just make videos, and I work when I can, but I can't right now.
Were you able to save up any money while you were working as a dancer and making videos?
I was, but I don't have any access to my funds because I don't have my wallet in here, nor do I have my phone.
Okay.
All right. So if you had access to funds, how much approximately would you have access to?
Honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell you that exact amount because so I get paid from Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that because I post videos. Okay. So I don't know. It varies every month. It varies. It could be 200. It could be 1,000. It could be something within that range. But I don't know for sure because I didn't get to post as many videos as I did since I've been in here. I've been in here, going on 5 months now. So I don't have, I wouldn't be able to tell you exactly what's there because it's not residual income.
All right. I'm going to set his bond at $1,500. 07068 State versus D'Anthony Gordley. Can I have parties announced?
Gallery versus State.
Robert Ramirez for Mr. Gordley, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Gordley?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with harassment of a public servant. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be your plea? Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be 200 hours community service restitution, no contact with the complainant, and no contact with 2400 North St. Mary's, the hostility management, and alcohol awareness course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those recommendations. How do you plead to the offense as charged? State any evidence?
State offers states 1 in attachments.
No objection.
All right. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We ask that you follow the plea agreement.
All right. And so this location, where is this location? What is the business?
Nightclub.
And what's the name of the nightclub?
Rumble.
I'm sorry, what?
Rumble.
Rumble?
Yes, ma'am.
And what time did this happen?
I want to say around like 2:00 in the morning.
Mm-hmm. So that still goes back to my point. Nothing good happens really after 10. So had you been drinking?
No, ma'am, I wasn't drinking at the time.
So you were sober?
I did drink beforehand, but at the club, I was not drinking.
No. So were you sober?
No, ma'am.
So you were intoxicated.
Yes, I was.
So why didn't you leave when they wanted you to leave? The clubs, do they close at 2 a.m.?
I think they were closing.
There was a lot going on.
All right, what does that mean? A lot going on. Somebody asked you to leave a location and you don't leave.
We were actually leaving, and it just it was a fight going on, and
Between?
a lot of us. There was so many people out there I can't even remember for real.
So do you know these other people? Devontae Manquel, German Scott?
Mhm.
Who is he to you?
It's my cousin,
Sergion Jarrell Knowles,
my brother.
Amy Arlene Garcia,
I don't know,
Serena Faith Estrada,
brother's wife.
Anderson DeAndre Sledge the fifth.
That's my oldest brother.
So let me ask you this, because these are things that people need to think about, right? How would you feel if someone were to spit in your face?
I don't feel bad.
And how would you feel if somebody wanted to spit in your face and their saliva landed in your eye?
Nobody else would feel it.
And how would you feel if somebody spit in your face and their saliva landed not only in your eye, but it went in your mouth?
Like it.
Well, would you calmly just walk away, or would you be prepared to fight?
I'll be prepared to fight.
All right. So this officer in this report says you spit on them,
Mhm.
and being intoxicated is no excuse to behave badly when people are telling you to leave their location and it's 2 a.m. and everybody probably in your group is drunk. Was there not one sane, sober person in your group to say, let's leave, you all are acting crazy? Your brother's wife didn't say, I'll see you all and I'll let your mom know that you all are about to go to jail because you won't leave?
Mhm.
And do you have any children?
You don't have a daughter?
How old?
One.
One. So you have a daughter who is one, and who was taking care of your daughter?
Her mother.
All right. And are you and the mother together? All right. So how do you think this is for your daughter? Her father is out at 1 a.m. I'm sorry, really 2 a.m. at a club. And how old are you?
26.
At some point in time, isn't it time to be done with being out at the club at 2 a.m.?
Yeah.
And your brother and all these other people, how old are they?
Honestly, I don't know. People with their ages. I got 11 brothers and sisters.
All right. So you have 11 brothers and sisters. So these brothers that were with you this night, are they older or younger?
One of them older. They're my oldest brother, and then the other one is younger than me. He's actually 25.
So he's 25. So then the older brother who is older than you, estimate, what is his age?
30, 32, I want to say.
And still acting silly. And is your mom
She's deceased.
and your father?
Deceased.
So who is telling you all not to do this?
Nobody, honestly.
All right. So you're at that age, and I'm sorry that your parents have passed, but you're at the age where nobody should have to tell you this. Usually they say it takes males a longer time to mentally develop. But at the age of 26, you should already be there. And especially since you have a daughter who is dependent on you financially and you're not doing good things.
You made a mistake?
No, not a mistake. You made choices.
I did. You're right.
Yeah, because you all chose to go out. You all chose to drink to intoxication. You all chose not to leave an establishment when it's already after 2 a.m. And you chose to spit on this officer. I can't even imagine how he's feeling. Can you imagine how that officer is feeling and how gross that is to have somebody spit in your eye? And not have any Visine drops, probably want to pour alcohol in your eye, but you can't. And then for it to go in your mouth. a complete stranger who's drunk. And I'm pretty sure that you all probably didn't smell great because you're drunk. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want me to follow this agreement, I will follow this agreement. But in this courtroom, probation is not easy. It's not supposed to be easy, and it's designed for rehabilitation. And what I can tell you, while you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol at all. Do you understand? Well, I mean, that's fine. You're not allowed to. Do you understand? And you're not going to be out at 2 a.m. You should be, all of your waking hours should be setting money aside so that your daughter has enough money where she can do what she want to do, but not have too much money so she doesn't have to do anything. You understand? So the court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I work at True Fit as a trainer.
Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do I need to go to True Fit and get in shape? See, I put you on the spot because you're like, I want to tell her the truth, but I don't want to get in trouble. All right. So there has to be no harm. Bashan, he's like, I want to tell her, Judge, hit the gym, but then I don't know how she's going to react. That's okay. I deal in truth. So there's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Brandon Stanley or 2400 North St. Mary Street, 78212. You're going to write a letter of apology to M. Ramirez. And that's the officer. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So other than this alcohol issue, any other drug issues with you? There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's going to be 30 sober support meetings in 30 days. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. And out of custody, you can do a TAP evaluation. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with supportive outpatient treatment. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. You better start making better choices. And at your age and the responsibilities you have, you should be in the house by 10. Your club days are behind you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And there you have it. The judge hands down a sentence of 4 years deferred adjudication, combined with strict probation conditions, community service, parenting classes, alcohol restrictions, and even a letter of apology to the officer. What really stands out here is the judge's emphasis on choices versus mistakes. She reminds Gordley and all of us that these weren't accidents. They were deliberate decisions with serious consequences. From late-night fights to spitting on an officer, this case highlights how one night of bad judgment can create years of legal fallout. So here's the big question for you. Do you think the judge was too lenient with deferred adjudication, or was this the right balance of accountability and rehabilitation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear what you think. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Courtroom Chronicles for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns every week. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next case.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It is that time of year, and high school graduation marks a real milestone for students.
But for one San Antonio teen, the diploma recognizes an even more significant achievement, considering everything he's gone through to beat the odds.
Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Coe explains.
For DeAnthony Gordley, the words in his music tell a story. A story of the tremendous obstacles he's faced in his life.
I ain't to give me some money, I ain't to give me a bag. They look at me like I'm funny.
Gordley was once homeless while attending Churchill High School, a hardship he kept hidden.
I felt alone. I felt alone in a lot of situations.
He witnessed the death of his father as a child and then went to live with his mother. She later suffered a heart attack and passed away at the hospital when he was in high school.
I didn't have a lot of options. It was about 7 months. I was just outside sleeping. I was everywhere you could probably imagine.
With no family to turn to or legal guardian available, any ISD got him connected to the McKinney-Vento Homeless Project, a program that provides services to help youth in homeless situations succeed.
They would help me a lot, so much. That's the most help I've ever had.
Gordley got in touch with several families through the program who helped him out even further.
Everybody was a part of it. Through the schools, they helped me be strong. Without most of the people that I know now, I probably wouldn't be where I'm at.
And this soon-to-be 2018 graduate, now excited to see what the future holds.
If I can do it, I feel anybody can do it. I feel like if everybody was to just push, it's a lot that can come for you.
Sharon Coe, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.
An incredible accomplishment, and Gordley certainly has a bright future ahead of him. He's already created songs that are being sold on iTunes. As for his immediate